Welcome to Analytics with Nags. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to test Power BI reports. You can be a developer or quality assurance engineer, or you can be a testing engineer, and you are part of a testing team where you have to ensure the Power BI reports developed are correct. How to test it basically. So that is what I'm going to explain as part of this video. So basically I'm going to give you certain steps or the things that you need to focus on. What are the criteria you can test. I'm not going to literally open the Power BI how I'm going to test. Actually, I made a detailed video on how to test the Power BI reports, so you can check it out while I'm talking. That will be appearing on top of your video. So you can use that video for how you can test between source and Power BI reports. But this video broadly focuses on what are other aspects, so you can follow up with those points. With this note, let's begin. So first and foremost thing is like a reconciliation between source and target. What it means is like you need to ensure your source data has flown into your Power BI reports. So for that, quickly you can check row count in the source system as well as target. What I mean by source system is like it's not immediate source of Power BI. Your Power BI reports is built from data warehouse or some database, and you need to ensure what is the source for that data warehouse or databases, right? So if you can get that access and ensure the count is correct, then it is more than enough. So you because why I'm saying is that this reconciliation is very important, because there is no point in showing beautiful reports or very colorful reports with the data incorrect, right? So you need to ensure that between the source and target, whatever source data you are getting, that same data you are getting in your target. It's not only about a row count, that is the basic thing, along with some quick query in your source system. Let's say sum of sales amount for this current year is this, and same thing you are getting in your target, that is Power BI. Then you can ensure this is somewhat okay. And you can see the functional texting, which means this is a basic criteria for all the testing purpose. It cannot be a reporting, it can be any other softwares as well. So you need to do the functionality. Let's say the requirement is to click on one filter, it should say see last 6 months data. Then these are the requirements of the report. You need to ensure that that functionality requested as per the requirements are working properly in the report. Then performance testing. So doing certain functionalities may impact performance, or simple reports also not performing because of some complex tax measures. So you also need to test that performance, how fast it is. Next is security and roles and access. So this is very important to ensure accidental sharing of reports to unauthorized users. So basically you can able to test these things if the report has the RLS. If it is a generic report, there is no point of this, you can skip this testing, but you need to focus on this as well. Then UI testing, whether the all visuals are in properly aligned, those things are some kind of format testing. Along with that, I can also say like if it is embedded, you need to go to that embedded portal, because if you the reports can look slightly different in different browsers or where it is actually presented. So your reports in the Power BI services looks fine, but when you embed this in SharePoint or some other portal, that will look slightly different. So you need to go to the target reporting user space, then you need to check that as well. And you can also do the different browsers as well. People the reports will look slightly different, or it will misalign with different browsers. So I hope these are the some testing criteria you can check, so that you can have a proper reports at the end. I hope this is a short video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries.